Thank you for buying this 19155 wall mount recess locker from Fixture Displays. This unit features 25 slots, 5 horizontal and 5 vertical. There's one locker that is used for administration purpose. That is the one on the left in the middle. Each locker has combination locks. I'm going to show you how the combination lock works. We have a master key that can open all combination locks if a code is forgotten or as an administrator you need to access that unit. These keys are for the administrator locker. Once you have that open, you can open up the entire front panel by lifting over here. Thus you can look at and stuff every locker with information necessary for each individual. The combination is 4 digits and the lock has lock and open positions. It also has a card slot for identification purpose. The default code is 0000, and this is locked position, and this would be the open position. You can pull and open. To change the combination, there is a little switch in the back. You want to push that up and then change it to a new code. In this demonstration, we are changing that to 1111. And then remember, switch it back to original position. Now your new code is set at 1111. Now, if we turn to 1112, it wouldn't open. At 1111, it opens. So that's how you change the combination. In the event the user forgot the code, the master key opens the locker and can help find the prior combination. So we're going to show you how does that work. We're going to open up the entire panel and access the back. There are 4 buttons in the back you can push. We're going to start with the first one, push it down and then dial that number until a very obvious point that feels just a lot different. And you do so digit by digit until you found your code. In this case, it was a default 000. And make sure you write that down in a safe place for good practice. Dimensions on the outside is 37.4. Depth is 5 inches. Height is 31.2. The recess or the cutout depth should be 4.6 inches minimum, and the height should be 29.7 inches minimum, and left to right should be 35.8 inches minimum, and allow some allowance on each side, of course. We now put it on a spinner to give you better view of this nice 25 slot
wall mount locker. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse Fixture Displays for many other products and services we have to offer. If you have a custom requirement, we love the challenge to make those for you. Lead time generally is about 3 months, including ocean shipping, and ocean shipping as we speak is about 2 months. We can also air freight an article for you for far less time if your budget allows. In addition to this line of products, I encourage you to look at the 15252 series as well. Thank you once again.